On this episode of Country Boy Gas Garage, we're entering the bus in a classic car cruise. So let's go! Welcome to another episode of Country Boy Gas Garage. You know, chopping firewood's just one of many chores that I've got around here. Living in the forest on a small farm. You know, people are asking me why I don't make videos more often, and well, this is it. All the responsibilities and chores I have living out here, and having a family and a baby, and it takes up a lot of my time. Either mowing or building on the house or wiring the garage, chopping firewood. It was about this time 2 years ago we were on an evacuation notice due to one of the nation's biggest forest fires. You know, forest fires are something we deal with a lot here up in the mountains of Oregon, and the Holiday Farm fire burned hundreds of thousands of acres, leveling homes and towns, completely leveled Blue River, small town I used to live in. And of course, we're blessed with pretty much clear skies today. There's not much smoke in the air. Any forest fires we have right now are pretty far away, so we're doing okay. Well, those are the reasons that are keeping me from making videos as often as I'd like, but I promise guys, I have plenty of content coming soon. Now, if the video's far and few between, I really appreciate the support, guys. And with that being said, in this video, we're putting the bus in a car cruise. We're going to Springfield Classic Car Cruise tomorrow night, so let's go. Alright, we're at Finn's Drive-In. This is where we pre-register for the cruise for tomorrow night, and it's a show in itself. There's going to be live music and food and a bunch of cars here. We're just here to register for now though, so let's do that. All right, we're all registered and we got our t-shirts ready to go. Well, it isn't the best job, but there it is. Alright guys, we made it. Now Sky's on a trip with some family, and my wife and son's going to join us later. But for now, it's just us. So let's cruise. Alright guys, it is so hot, I had to put a house fan in here. Hooked it up to an inverter. Alright, let's go. Hey guys, once again I find myself doing voiceovers to fill in the gaps where I failed to provide much dialogue to the camera because I was so caught up in the moment. Of course, everyone absolutely loved the bus and it got so much attention. It also took so much focus to drive this bus so close to such very expensive cars and so many pedestrians. Now I've driven in this Cruz many times before, but it's always been in my 1970s Chevy Nova. Nothing this big and unique. Now, as I'm cruising the bus, I can't help to think how far this bus has come in the last year and a half, and how much joy it brings me to be able to share it with everybody. I knew the bus was going to get a lot of attention, and I'm glad everybody loves it just as much as I do. I can't imagine the bus doing anything better than being enjoyed at a classic car cruise. Since the Emerald City Shakedown car show, I've had several requests for the bus to be at other car shows and car cruises. So we have plenty more shows to attend to, and this is definitely not going to be the last cruise. You want to ride? I just spotted my wife and son, which were enjoying the show from a much cooler vantage point. But eventually it does cool down, and they get to get on the bus and cruise with me. This part of the cruise takes you underneath the parking structure where everybody likes to rev their motors and do their burnouts. So here's my attempt at revving the engine. Well, that's all she's got. Well, regardless, it's an absolute joy to drive this bus and this cruise, and this definitely won't be the last. Then I noticed a group of old family friends, so I stopped to give them a ride. Hey, how's it going?
You remember Rob sisters?
Yeah.
Hey, Jason! Oh my God! So cool!
There's a couple chairs there if you guys want. I'll go around once with you.
Heck yeah!
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool! Yeah. Here, sit down, Debbie.
I'll try to go slow and easy.
Heck yeah, here, Debbie, you sit down. Yeah. Heck yeah, we're cruising.
All aboard?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Heck yeah.
And we're off.
We see you! Woo!
Yeah, recently I drove this all the way back to the old church I used to belong to.
Oh my!
They're up by Portland.
Nice.
They're like a 125-year-old church, still in operation.
So cool!
Oh, we could have put Mr. Bones somewhere and they gave you another seat.
Oh, he's good. He's good. Woo! Jesus loves you! Woo!
They're like, what?
We see you! Woo! Oh yeah! We don't try that so much. Woo! Jesus loves you! Yeah! Hey! Woo! Woo! Party boss! Hey! Woo! Woo! Woo!
Here, I'll give everybody stickers too so you remember.
Oh yes! Yes! Like that. That's so cool. Woo! Woo! That's what it's all about. So awesome.
Awesome. Oh, I'm glad that somebody got a ride.
Oh my gosh, that's too.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Do you need a Jason?
I enjoyed it just as much as you.
Oh, good. Good
It was good to see you. Take
Jason.
care. We're going to be driving around for the rest of the evening.
Heck yes. Heck yes.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Now that was fun, and I'm sure I'm going to get more rides on this bus in the future. But now it's finally cooled down enough to give my wife and baby boy their first ride on the bus. Want to ride, bud? This is what it's all about. Cruising the bus around with my family, enjoying it and sharing it with everybody. After all that hard work, this really gives me a feeling of accomplishment. And the greatest part about all of this is the memories I'm making with my family and my children. And my favorite part is that they'll be able to go back and watch these videos after they grow up. What more could you ask for? Well, now it's time for a pit stop. Well guys, the belt started squealing, so I'm letting her cool down and we're gonna try to tighten that belt up. But other than that, she's doing great. Stopped here at the gas station, letting her cool down for a bit. We'll get that belt tightened up. Belt all tightened up and we got some more gas, and now let's get back out there on the cruise. a blast. The bus did great except for a spoiling fan belt. We tightened it up and it's working good. It's getting late, getting kind of dark. We're heading home. Guys, now make sure you send me your channel stickers so I can add them to the back door of the bus here with the rest of these great channels. Make sure you check them all out. Until next time, peace. Go over to the merch store and pick you up some hoodies or t-shirts. We got all kinds of sizes. There's new items being added all the time. So go check out www.countryboygasgarage.com and pick yourself up some merch.